Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to my show, and I got something good to say. I'm in the tunnel of yelling with the GoPro Hero 10. Trash cans moved, and I'm moving to a different spot. Oh yeah, this is going to be an interesting talk. I just made a shorts, and my last video was made with the Eco Road EC8 1 mile scooter ride. And I don't know, I may have put my hand over the speaker, I may have turned the camera off, and I downloaded my files and it charged, and I don't take the battery out, everything stays in. I don't take the SD cards out, and sure enough, I go ahead and you got it, turn my camera on, ready to use. Like GoPro, you see an acknowledgement of the screen, and I simply go in and I hit the mode on button. I get a couple of flashes, and you can see the flashes I get. That's all I get. Done. The only thing I could do now is no need to reboot it or pull the battery out, but take the card and bring it on out and put the card back in, and maybe we'll see it light up. I hit the button there, nothing. Dead as a doornail. What are you gonna do, Fish? Not even a year old, should be under warranty. I'll get in contact with DJI. I'll give him my receipt and see what the repair costs. If it costs too much, it's going to be shelved or sold, and I'll simply go back to my Osmo Action 3 and wait for the Osmo Action 5 to come out. Perfect time for DJI to, out of nowhere, make your camera go dead so you can get the Action 5. Nope, it can happen to just about anyone out there. Yeah, back to the GoPro Hero 10 for today. If I press on the shutter, I get 3 flashes. If I press on the mode, I get 3 flashes. That is a code that DJI can say to us what it means. The only thing I could do now, oh man, I got a light and a power bank, and I could plug in some power and go this route. I love these. I just wish they'd make them one way that you simply plug in either way the cable and off we go. I'm just having so much difficulty trying to get this in. White on top, white on bottom. There we go, it's on. Plug in for power. I got power. I got maybe a dead battery. I got a single beep of light, single light. I got an exhausted battery. Woo, baby. I was about to put you away. Did you notice it shut off? How could you get an exhausted battery? Well, maybe when you dump stuff on the computer and you forget to turn the back screen off and the thing closes, or the camera comes on by itself. It happens. Oh man, am I relieved now. I could put back my cord. I could go out, have some fun shooting. I don't have to worry about my camera dying again. I was ready to go to the care package and send it in. Wow. How sweet is that fish? That's where I keep my cord, my emergency cord, man. Yeah, I don't have to ask people what it means. I try to figure out my issues, and as a last resort. Oh, do you know what the 3 red light means? Did you try pulling the battery? And did you try pulling the SD card? Did you try long pressing the button? Oh, what was the last thing you remember doing? Did you put a new battery in? All right, go back to the old battery. See if you charged it. Oh, one of the troubleshoots worked, and that was having a dead battery, because DJI feels that they need to dim down the screen and shut the screen off before you got it burning. I cannot wait for other people to come across this issue and try to figure it out on their own. On that note, I'm Fish, and I'm out of here. Sunshine over my shoulders makes me happy. No fast charging. 65 watts, don't fast charge.